A Florida woman is suing Celebrity Cruises after she says the company improperly stored her husband's body after he died on board. Marilyn Jones says her husband died of cardiac arrest in August of last year, and she was given two options: either remove the body from the ship in San Juan, Puerto Rico, or store it on the ship until its return to Florida. So she asked to store the body in the morgue, but the lawsuit claims his body was actually moved from the morgue to a drink cooler, which apparently had an improper temperature to preserve a body. Now she's asking for $1 million in compensatory damages and a trial. Celebrity has yet to comment.